YouTube. In this video we'll be taking a look at how to sync vibration with notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to sync your vibration with your notification sound on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sound and vibration. And then from there, what you want to do is hit sound and vibration. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for notification vibration. And then from there, you want to make sure sync with notification sound is selected. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to sync your vibration with your notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.